Welcome back. This is my Thermaltake V9 Black Edition case that I'm going to be modding for cable management. And this is, I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this motherboard, which is an Intel, or if I'm going to use my other motherboard. But anyway, here are, this motherboard has 4 SATA ports on it, and here are the front port inputs. So I'm not sure if I'm probably going to be cutting here and here, because behind this little plate it's open, so I can run the SATA cables from the hard drive up behind the board, up through here into the motherboard here. And then for the time being I can run the front port jacks into here. Here are two front port USBs, which I only have one of. And here is the 24-pin power. So I'm going to be cutting right here, kind of up here. Here's the where is it? The 4-pin power. So I'll be cutting the hole here. And let me just turn this around. So if we can get in just in there, actually right behind, right about in there, that's where the holes are for the CPU cooler. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut along here, like that, somewhere. It'll be square though. And then that way if I need to change out the CPU cooler, I can get back behind there. And I'm going to cut, there is, we can look down right here, right here. I'm going to be running the CPU power, 4-pin power, up along back here, a little bit through there, plug into the motherboard, and I will be getting hopefully this cut this weekend and post some videos. So thanks for watching.